We're going to cover 4 things pretty quickly. Mainly, we'll show how to share a read-only link, but we'll also show the difference between doing that and inviting collaborators and using team accounts and also in-person collaboration. Here's the main idea. If you want to share your project on the Webflow forum, or if you're sending it to Stacy, it might be a good idea to send a read-only link. And here's how to do it. Go to the sharing menu, turn on the read-only link. There it is. Grab the link, use it however you'd like. And when someone clicks that link, they'll be able to see inside your full project. But any changes they make won't be saved at all. But that's a read-only link. What if you want to invite collaborators? This is great if you have clients that want to go in and add or change content. So if you invite collaborators, they'll receive an invitation. They'll be able to access the Webflow editor. This is the interface from which collaborators can see the website and even edit content on the page, but they can't access the designer. They won't be able to modify layouts or styles or interactions, just content. We have a ton of information about using the editor on Webflow University, so check that out if you haven't already. That's inviting collaborators. How about team accounts? Team accounts let you invite team members to what we call a team dashboard. That means a bunch of people can access a shared area where the team can create and edit projects of all types. This is what we use on the education team at Webflow. Those are team accounts. What about in-person collaboration? This works great if you're...
Noise cancelling headphones.
That's in-person collaboration. So sharing a read-only link does exactly that. It lets you share a link to your project where people can access the designer to see how something's built, but their changes won't save. Inviting collaborators gives them access to the Webflow editor where they can add or change content. Team accounts give multiple users access to a team dashboard where you can create and organize projects across your team. And in-person collaboration is an exceptional way to provide feedback on a project live. That's sharing projects in Webflow.